Dear students, in this video I explain the second characteristic property of liquids. All liquid matter occupy space. Using these examples. You see this image. First, take an empty measuring jar without water. Take this measuring jar, empty one without water, and pour some little water into the measuring jar. So the blue color one is the water. Now take the reading coinciding with the upper surface of the water. This is the upper surface of the water. What is the reading? It is 150 ml. So the reading shows the amount of water in the jar. 150 ml water is there. So this shows liquids occupy space. Hence we can say all liquid matter occupy space. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the third characteristic property of liquids. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.